In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Strikingly. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply by clicking on where it says layout over here and then on this cogwheel next to it, and then click on drag and drop. And from here, you can select where you want to add your text. So for example, let's say I want to add it like up here where you can see there's like a blue line with a plus in the middle. So just click on that. And then from here, select text, and you can go and of course add a paragraph just like this. You can start typing in hello, this is my site, or whatever you want to do. And then wherever on your page that you can see this kind of plus button with the blue line, you can go ahead and add in some text. So for example, like here, I could add text. I could add it here as well. And I can go down here, add text over here, and even here in the middle. Like, of course, I can do it pretty much anywhere on my site. So that's essentially how you do it. And then you can go ahead and, of course, stylize it. So if I hover over it, I could go make it bold, italic, underline, make links, all that good stuff, change colors, stuff like that. And then whenever I'm happy, don't forget to actually click on Save Layout. This will save your layout, and that way your text has been added. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.